Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily download Sora to Cameo videos without posting it first. So by the way, these are the Cameo videos when you use one of these characters or personalities. And then what happens is you come here, you click on your profile icon, and you'll see the videos right here under your drafts. And usually the Cameo videos, so for example I have this one with Jake Paul. Right? If I click on these three dots, you'll see there's no download option, only delete, right? But this one right here was not done without a Cameo, with a Cameo. So if I click on these three dots, I can download it. Very simple fix. Instead of clicking on the video, what you do is just right click on the video and then check this out. You can click here, open a video in new tab. So once it opens here in a new tab, you can just go ahead and click on these three dots to give more options, and then you just click here and download. And the video, as you can see, has begun downloading and it is done. I'll open it up right here just to show you. With that easy, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.